Hi everyone, this is Naina here. Today I'll be sharing a dairy-free or vegan golden milk or turmeric milk recipe which is a great way of boosting your immunity. It's anti-inflammatory in nature and helps treat colds, coughs and even insomnia. With the coronavirus going around, having this drink daily as soon as you wake up or right before going to bed can help your body fight against the virus if you do get infected. So now let's just jump right into this recipe. We'll be making this using almond milk. You can always use whichever milk you have at home. There is just a tiny difference in the recipe that I'm using, which I will mention while we're preparing it. For this recipe, I'm using around 14 to 15 almonds which I had soaked and kept overnight and then peeled the skin. The skin of the almonds contain tannin which inhibits nutrient absorption and hence soaking for over 10 hours and peeling helps prevent that. Let's start making this milk by adding 1 cup or 250 ml of water into the mixer, followed by the peeled almonds. Now we add the star of the show, which is turmeric. Add in half teaspoon of grated turmeric from 1-inch turmeric piece. So if you don't have a raw turmeric piece, you can always add in some organic turmeric powder as well. Next goes in 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cut ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of organic cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, and a pinch of cardamom powder. I've got a slight sweet tooth, so I like a bit of sweetness to my milk, and hence I'm adding 1½ tablespoon of jaggery powder. You can definitely omit this if you don't need the sweetness. And instead of the jaggery powder, you can always use brown sugar, coconut sugar, maple syrup and so on. Avoid using honey as it's not vegan and also it's not very healthy when heated up. So now is the tip. In case you're using any other plant-based milks or even cow's milk, you can add a teaspoon of extra virgin coconut oil for added healthy fat. Almonds already contain a significant amount of it and hence we don't need to add this oil to this recipe. These healthy fats help in absorbing curcumin, the primary component of turmeric which is responsible for its anti-inflammatory properties. Now blend all of it together at high speed for 1½ to 2 minutes for the almonds to blend well. Now strain the milk into a hard-bottomed pot and keep the milk to heat. Make sure to turn the flame to low and keep stirring it well. Don't bring the milk to boil as the almond milk may curdle up. Just warm it slightly and turn off the flame. Now pour it into your glass and enjoy this awesome immunity-enhancing drink. To know all about the different benefits of this turmeric milk, do check out my latest blog post on it. It helps you understand why this drink can keep you super healthy and virus resistant during these hard times. So I do hope that you will try making this drink today itself as it's super easy to make and barely takes 5 minutes. And the benefits will definitely help you stay fit. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel. Make sure to share this video with your friends who may also enjoy this drink. So I will see you again in the next video. So until then, bye bye.